Right. The final thing we're going to talk about is phosphorites. Phosphorites are another very important economic resource. Phosphorites, as their name implies, are rich in phosphorus, and they contain more than 18% P2O5 or phosphorus. Most phosphorites are black. They're fine grained and they're well bedded on a millimeter to meter scale. And phosphorus is not an abundant element in our crust, which means that you can't just go anywhere to get this resource. Instead, you have to find these phosphorite beds where phosphorus has been concentrated. And the phosphorus is probably derived from animal remains that accumulate mainly in shallow marine environments and occasionally in lakes. Phosphorite deposits are still kind of a mystery to geologists. We know where to find them, but we don't know exactly why they are there or how they got there. So that derived from animal remains is a sometimes we think probably, but there could also be other explanations there. Phosphate rock is a major resource mined to produce phosphate fertilizers for agriculture. So this is one of the reasons that phosphate is such an important mining mineral. We don't have a ton of phosphate mining in Georgia, but it is very common up to the north of us in South Carolina and the south of us in Florida. Phosphate is also used in animal feed supplements, food preservatives, anti-corrosion agents, cosmetics, fungicides, ceramics, water treatment, metallurgy, so on and so on. So any place that used to be a shallow marine environment, or is even a modern shallow marine environment, we can often find these phosphate deposits for mining. So we're doing this both on land, but also in the shallow sea right off our coast.